Here we have an SBX 885 smartboard with the UX80 projector, and everything seems to be normal. Power light's on. We don't have the little air light, but it does not want to turn on. Push the power button, nothing happens. Power button is lit up. I can feel that the connector is pushed into the back of the control panel correctly, and if I look, the power connectors to the control board are plugged in up here correctly, so that appears to be fine. So there's nothing wrong that I can tell, but it simply will not turn on. So there's something's going on here. And let's just do the old standard solution. Turn it off. Power light's off. Turn it back on. Power light's back on in amber. Push it. Oh, and look at that. Now it turns on. And there it goes. It's warming up. Okay, so what's going on here? This appears to be a product defect. There's no reason that it should be doing this, and it's not giving me an error indication. It just simply isn't working. So I guess this projector, or maybe the entire board, has to be exchanged under warranty, because something's wrong here and it's not doing what it should. So I don't know, we'll see.